In this video we are going to show you a couple of ideas for the late stage rehab after Achilles tendon rupture repair.
Get our very own assessment ebook and mobile app. Links are in the video description.
Hi and welcome back to Physiotutors. The Achilles tendon, being the biggest and strongest tendon in the human body, is formed by the tendons of the soleus and gastrocnemius muscles, which both insert at the calcaneus. We mostly see ruptures of the Achilles tendon in high-impact sports, predominantly in the male athlete. While a scientific review from the year 2017 showed no significant differences in the outcomes of surgical and conservative management, the re-rupture rate of conservatively managed tendons was higher, and conservative management might not be suitable for every injury depending on its severity. However, there is a clear benefit of an accelerated rehab program, including early mobilization versus immobilization, as has been researched by Bruman and colleagues in 2014. We already discussed the first and second stage of accelerated post-surgical rehab in 2 other videos. The third stage, which can last up to 9 weeks, will aim to restore full function of the ankle in terms of range of motion, proprioception, balance and coordination, as well as further increase strength to prepare the individual for possible sport-specific rehab. So let's take a look at what kind of exercises one could do here.
Here's a simple exercise on how to load the calf and the Achilles tendon early on in a weight-bearing position, so alternate stepping onto the toes of each foot. It's also important that we work on proprioception and balance in Achilles tendon rehab, so simply standing on one foot and being able to maintain that position for at least 10 seconds is a valuable exercise. You can progress this by changing the base of support. For example, standing on a foam mat or an RX mat, and maybe later on even on a Bosu ball. In this late phase, the patient should be able to perform a weight-bearing squat to at least 30 degrees of knee flexion, and you can progress this exercise by going deeper and by loading, for example with a barbell or with a kettlebell. The single leg squat from something like a stepper is also a great way to load the calf and Achilles tendon and work on single leg strength. Strengthening the calf, of course, is essential in Achilles tendon rehab. So perform calf raises on both legs from a neutral position and progress to single leg calf raises. You can also incorporate small jumps to load the calf and the Achilles tendon plyometrically.
Alright, if you want, you can check out more videos like this in the exercise playlist on the left. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and leave a comment. We are happy to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we urge you to do so, as this really helps us out a lot. Please check the video description for many useful links, for example to our assessment ebook or mobile app, or how you can contribute subtitles. As always, this was Andreas. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.